Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix if your Grindr is not working. Now let's go ahead. First of all, open your settings on your mobile phone and go to your apps. Now after that, type in your Grindr application and go to storage and clear all the cache from it. Now open your Grindr again. And as you can see here, after clearing all the cache, it's working fine. And if it's still not working, then restart your mobile phone and open your Grindr again, then it would be working. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.